What's going on, family? It's your boy Black Feniks. Just wanted to show you some of my analytics from my HogOnWelding YouTube page, my personal blog where I upload, videos from my work experience, from different scenarios I face in the field, and just, being independent and some of the knowledge that I have learned since I've been out here, on the grind doing this. And I didn't think I was helping anybody, but 2 years ago, I started this page, and now I got over 500 videos. And, those videos are picking up, and people are liking them and sharing them, and it's helping people. So you never know who you're helping when you're going through your struggle. So share your struggle. Let people know what you're going through, because you never know who you're helping. And then in return, that'll also bless you and help you. Keep getting your hog on. Black Feniks, I'm out.